The threat intelligence community maintains a range of brilliant resources to classify research. MITRE's ATT&CK, CAPEC, and CWE frameworks are but a few examples. Many of these data sources are intrinsically linked. For example, CAPECs reference MITRE ATT&CK techniques and CWEs. Take CAPEC 11, which references CWE 430, and the subtechnique T1036.006. However, despite these relationships, the frameworks are often used in isolation, often because the tooling an organization uses doesn't link them together. But that's a massive loss. Linking the data in this way allows for richer queries to support investigations. For example, what weaknesses are linked to an attack technique? What patterns of attack are associated with weaknesses? And so on. So the team here at DOSEC built Arango CTI Processor to link various CTI frameworks together so that queries can be written to traverse between these frameworks in a large network graph of intelligence. Let me show you Arango CTI Processor in action. First, let me start with CAPEC 11 that I showed you earlier. Using this search, I can find all the relationships that have been created by Arango CTI Processor that are linked to it. And here are the two links I showed you earlier on the CAPEC site. If I just wanted to see all CAPEC to attack relationships created by Arango CTI Processor, I could run this search, which at the time of recording produces 346 results. I could also start these queries from an attack technique or a weakness or any other framework supported by Arango CTI Processor. By having data linked on a graph like this, it allows you to keep traversing each vertex to uncover more potentially relevant contextual information when it comes to classifying research. If you don't want to run Arango CTI Processor yourself, CTI Butler ships with all of these relationships and many more out of the box. I will put a link to Arango CTI Processor and CTI Butler in the description of this video. I will also link you to a blog post with the queries in this video so that you can use them to get up and running in minutes.